It's me again, and I thought I'd talk to you about this neat box. Okay, as you can tell, it comes with 246 pieces in it. It's drill and bit sets, and it will tell you everything that's in it. And there's a lot. Okay. And it tells you where everything goes and all of that good stuff. So, anyhow, inside of this box, which has a lot of goodies, it has your standard and metric pieces, which some of them are hard to find. It comes with diamond bits, drills, and you get a punch, and you get an extension, and woodworking stuff. Anyhow, you don't have to spend a lot for your tools, and not only will these work in your battery powered tools, but they will also work in a manual drill. Okay? Trust me on that one. Anyhow, y'all have a good day. God bless you, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye.